Okay, guys, I'm back.
Giving me life all night, you could be telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for
Good morning, you guys. I hope you guys like this low exposure. I might turn it up a little bit. Give me 1 second. Okay, I think it's a little bit better. I think it was like too dark before. But hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Nevoy here. It is February 6th and it's now 12:39 and I'm just getting my day started. I know it's a little late, but it's okay. Today is going to be a monthly restart with me. It is the beginning of the month and it's time that we get our lives together. It is time that we take February by the neck and make it our month. Okay, so all the goals that you have set, every single one of them, I need you guys to stick by it. I have a lot of things I have planned for today that includes cleaning because this room, it's not given. I'll put my to-do list on the screen and as I finish each thing, I'll check them off. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It might be a lot of montage, so you know, you guys can play this in the background while you're doing your homework or whatever. So I'll see you guys later.
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Didn't I? Can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra. They said it love me. Why does it hurt? Why does it hurt? It's getting worse. I can't compete with them. It's so hard. Want to be even. I wanna finish. Say like it's running by the jewel.
Don't you touch my crown, and I'ma chop your hand off. Don't you steal my joy.
Hey man, don't you go and touch my hair, nigga. Shelly, for real. Legit mind state. They don't think I have what it takes. Something like a mongoose in a room full of snakes. Doggies, I remind you, chapter and verse, I'm the real McCoy. Seek, kill, and destroy. If you bring
Don't know how I managed. You left me with all this damage. So sad you gave me baggage for life. Your name still drives me crazy. I hate that I let you play me, but maybe next time will be right.
Okay, you guys, so far I have changed my linens in the bathroom. I'm about to do laundry. I've taken a shower. What I need to do next is record this TikTok. So honestly, I can't have both of you guys doing recording me doing the TikTok and do it on my phone. So I'm just gonna show you guys the TikTok after I'm done recording it. I hope it comes out good, but yeah. Okay, guys, I'm back. I finished doing my hair. This is how it came out. I'll put the TikTok that I did on the screen.
All level, I am the I am. I'm filming with the drone cam and the pink like Killer Kim. Zone wanna stick, no way. Also close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, that's good. Dick with all the eyes back in the skull. Rollin', ride, rollin' when you ride.
Right now, let me go look at my to-do list. On my to-do list next, I have laundry I still need to do, but I'm gonna prolong it because I don't feel like doing it right now. So I'm going to order some food, and while that is coming, I'm gonna make a smoothie. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but for my smoothie, I'm gonna make a strawberry banana smoothie. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make that. that. It's really good. Honestly, tropical smoothie how I need it. Your girl knows how to make a good smoothie, okay? And it's healthy, period. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. Then we'll see what else today. Jesus. I'm actually going to make Sundays my content days because I usually finish my homework on Fridays or Saturdays. So Sundays could really be like my day where I like, you know, batch create content. I think that's what they call it, where you create a lot of content in one day so that during the week all you have to do is just post. So I'm going to do that while I plan and edit and just trying to be that girl, period. Minus the part of me trying to do my laundry because that is so annoying. Okay, you guys, I am going to show you guys how I make my, I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to put my glasses on today and I can't really see anything far right now, so it's good. But anyway, I have all the ingredients I need right here. I have my almond milk, some frozen strawberries, and some bananas that are ready to be smoothified. Okay, I'm gonna just do a little montage of how I do it because I think it's pretty self-explanatory how you make a smoothie. You put everything in the blender, you press the blending button, and it's really like super processed, you feel me? So I'm gonna just show you guys all of that real quick, and then I'm gonna just set it.
Baggage, don't forget to come and pick up your feelings. Don't leave no pieces. You need to hurry and pick up your feelings.
So I have just made my smoothie. It is a strawberry banana smoothie with almond milk. It tastes so good. So good. For a snack right now before my food gets here, I'm going to be eating blackberries. I eat them straight out the box. Like, don't nobody got time to be putting them in something else. So I eat my blackberries straight out the box. I'm gonna show you guys how I plan my videos, or how I am planning on planning my videos for the month of February, or at least for this week, because my goal this week is to post 3 times every day. So I already posted one or twice today. I need one more post. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so I actually use Notion to plan all of my videos and everything. So here is my content creation page. So basically this is my TikTok/Reels tracker. This morning I went to TikTok and I got these. These are like the TikToks that I plan on doing this week. This one is obviously today's video. Well, I'm gonna be using the footage from my vlog from my YouTube channel to make my Sunday reset TikTok. I just filmed how I do a hair clip or a claw clip hairstyle. I just uploaded it, so it's published, and I'm gonna add the published date as February 6th. This video will also be up February 6th, so I need to put that there. And I'm also right now going to do the tutorial of a better way to use your Google Calendar. So those are the 3 videos I'm going to upload today. Tomorrow I'm probably going to upload this one, which is the basketball game, because we had a basketball game yesterday. Those are the 5 videos that I have. I'm going to be planning more so that every single day this week I upload 3 TikToks every day. And then for YouTube, honestly, I think this one is gonna go down here because I didn't really like the filming that I did for that one. This one is gonna be this week's video, which is gonna go up on the 10th possibly. So I basically just changed everything to how I want it. Right here to the right where it says links, this is the TikTok sound I'm gonna be using for this TikTok. So honestly, Notion is a great way to plan out your videos, plan out your weeks. But right now I'm going to work on creating all this content, and then after that I'll get back to you guys. My food is here, so I'm gonna go downstairs and pick it up. I got Red Lobster, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get it. Hey guys, so got my Red Lobster. It looks, it just smells so good. Like, I'm ready to munch on this bit. Like, I got shrimp Alfredo, and I didn't even know that they already give you like the biscuits, but they gave me some biscuits, or I think 2 biscuits, I think. But like, I love that from myself. Like, I'm so ready to eat this. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is my meal. It looks so good. Like, I'm so ready to eat it. Oh my gosh. So I'm actually gonna watch this movie that I found. It's called Cleaner. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. Hey you guys, so I'm about to close out this vlog, but before I end it, this vlog, it's not a vlog. I wouldn't call it a vlog, but I will say that this reset was really good for me. I feel like I'm ready to conquer February of 2022. I don't know if I shared my goals with you guys, but if you guys haven't seen them yet, go ahead and check it out on my TikTok. I definitely posted TikTok on it. Also, one thing I did not check off on my list today was doing my laundry. So, yep, it's still sitting right there. All my laundry is all sorted out. It's just sitting there on the floor waiting for me to do it. Tomorrow is a really busy day. Like, I can show you guys my schedule and I literally have no time. Like, I won't be here until maybe like after 8. Like, I leave at 7 and I'll be back home to like after 8. So I'm not sure. So I'm probably going to do it tomorrow night, because usually Monday nights people don't really do laundry. I think it's because it's Sunday where everybody's out there, so that's why I couldn't find any washing machine to do my laundry. So I'm gonna do that, but I hope you guys are having an amazing year so far. I wish you nothing but the best in February, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.